And welcome back. My name is Zane, and today we'll be having a look at Decentralized Information Asset. That's the DIA project or DIA token asset. So DIA is an open source Oracle platform that enables market actors to source, supply, and share trustable data. Decentralized Information Assets is a Swiss nonprofit organization, and it's open source data and Oracle platform for decentralized finance ecosystem. So DIA leverages crypto economies incentives to drive supply, share, and use transparent crowd-verified price data on Oracle and finance and digital assets. So on the 3rd of August, DIA announced that they took the first step in decentralizing its governance by public distribution of token. This event will provide participants with opportunities to acquire DIA's governance token. DIA believes in a financial ecosystem that is owned, controlled, and maintained by its users. So the DeFi ecosystem infrastructure, which they're trying to create, is governed through a token, the DIA governance token, which shall be held by a decentralized community of DIA token holders and their delegates. This would be the first public distribution of DIA's governance token, and it's aimed to decentralize governance to the broader DeFi and blockchain ecosystem and raise funds for continued development of platform. So this is quite interesting, and this project basically hit me out of nowhere. I literally found this project by accident. So DIA's mission: Web3 applications are reliant on trustable and scalable data feeds to build reliable products and avoid explosions and manipulation. The DIA platform enables the sourcing, validation, and sharing of transparent and verified data feeds for traditional and digital financial application. DIA's institutional grade data feeds cover asset prices, metaverse data, lending rate, and much more. Now, I must say, within this video, we're going to go through quite a few things. We're going to go through a price analysis and price prediction. We'll also take a look at any recent news that I find to be interested on the DIA blog. And they also have a newsroom, some of the latest updates within their ecosystem and basically who's talking about them within the cryptocurrency community. Now, they've got a simple explanation of their platform architecture, which I'm not going to pretend to understand because it's not very easy. But first, you've got the platform itself: secure storage, satisfaction in Oracle and API delivery. Now, from this ecosystem, you get DEXs and you get DeFi and you get TradFi. Data is pulled directly from multiple exchange and APIs and smart contracts. And then onto the platform, feeds are fully customizable and including methodological and choices of sources. And then from this system, it goes into anything from dApp applications, NFT and gaming, metaverse, stablecoins, DEXs, and staking rewards. Oracles are easy to integrate in all relevant blockchains. So actually, even though I said I wouldn't be able to understand this, it's actually really simple. So that's quite interesting. Cross-chain interoperability. Now, this is what excites me. As you can see, they've got multiple coins that are listed, from Ethereum to Polygon to Polkadot to Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Solana. But DIA operates oracles on multiple blockchain. It operates oracles on multiple blockchain. They provide an overview of deployed oracle contracts on each supported chain. DIA development on oracle contracts are smart contracts that provides a selected range of asset price on various blockchain for live testing and respective mainnet and testnet. The contracts are upgraded and exchanged on a rolling basis and not maintained infinitely. DIA development Oracle contracts are not intended to be integrated into a dApp. DIA deploys dedicated contracts for dApps, and they have more information on dedicated Oracle by contracting the team on Discord and DIA DAO forum. So these are all the blockchains that they operate through. These are all the blockchains that they can operate oracles on. This is quite amazing. Aurora, Metis, Moonbeam, Arbitrum, Phantom. I really like Phantom. Near Testnet. The list continue. I knew that one was near. I knew it. So apart from that, let's get into our price analysis and price prediction, because we don't want to focus too much on one thing. So this is a quick overview of what the token has done within the last year. So it's actually quite exciting. You can see that 1 year ago, it was $2.20. Right now, it's $1.08. Actually quite interesting. But early last year, possibly around April, I think, the coin was just above $5 per coin with a trading volume of 88 million. and then it continued to shoot up. The trading volume continued to rise as high as 167 million. Now, right now, as we speak, the trading volume is relatively low. 20 million, 12, 5. It's all over the place. It's extremely volatile. But something that I've got to say is that even though there's volatility within this token, for almost 1 year, it's been staying relatively around $1 to $2, which is actually quite comfortable. So it's not the kind of cryptocurrency that's just going to shoot up to $20 anytime soon. So we have to be understanding that the highest it can probably go this year is probably around $5. But to see that happen, there'd have to be some huge development within the space, which I'm looking forward to, because 1 year ago, the volume was incredible and it was going up. It was just on a beast run, an absolute bull run, absolute upward trajectory, and it just fell off out of nowhere. But it's a low cap coin, so it actually makes sense that it fell off so early. You can see that it fell off to around May. A lot of the crypto market was affected last year around June and July. But earlier in May, a lot of low cap coin experienced a lot of bad investment, experienced a lot of crashes. When the market is about to crash, the low cap cryptocurrencies, the low cap coins and the low cap companies, they're the ones who have the biggest hit, and they're the ones who are first to get hit by the storm. So it's actually a good way to predict a market crash. If you look at the low cap cryptocurrencies, if they're getting hit while other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, the big ones, Solana, Avalanche, if they're not getting hit, then it's a sign of what's to come. People take their money out of the smaller cryptocurrencies first, in a very sneaky way, take their money out of the big cryptocurrencies, thus not to create a panic in the market, and thus to be as covert as possible. So it seems that last year they were doing a lot of things, which was good. They add Solana ecosystem by making DIA trusted Oracle infrastructure accessible for developers building on Solana. They did the same thing with Phantom, Avalanche, and they were listed live. They were listed live on Coinbase this year in January the 26th. So that's actually quite exciting. They introduced a lot of things last year. The Oracle now available on Ethereum scaling solution, introducing DIA's new index series, AVAX. They had a lot of things going on, but even this year, around the 25th of February, partnership with Starly Finance. And it continues, some big news within their ecosystem. So I'm actually glad I discovered this cryptocurrency. So yeah, this was around the time they listed on Coinbase, which was actually really good. I wasn't aware of this, but now I know. And this is actually really good. We won't spend too much time on this because everyone knows what listing means. But their partnership with Starly Finance, they announced that DIA is open source and transparent price feed Oracle by powering Starly Finance, the first native lending protocol on the Astar network. So Starly is a non-custodial lending platform for Astar network. Depositors can provide liquidity to earn interest as a stable passive income, while borrowers can leverage their asset without selling them out. Astar's network aims to be the biggest hub for multi-chain era by bridging with Ethereum, Cosmos, and others. So with Starly Finance, the Astar ecosystem aims to be a marketplace for storing all kinds of tokens on any kinds of chains. So DIA's new collaboration on Oracle integration with Starly Finance, a new partnership, will start delivering crowdsourced data feeds to power the Starly protocol running on Astar network. As oracles are a crucial part of lending protocols, DIA will play a critical role in the infrastructure of Starly. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe to see more, leave a comment, let's have a discussion, and I will see you in my next video.